We've all been there. You're trying to stream your favorite show in bed, but the video just keeps buffering endlessly. Or maybe you're in the backyard, trying to get some work done, and your connection drops right in the middle of an important video call. These dreaded Wi-Fi dead zones are incredibly frustrating, turning parts of your own home into digital no-go areas. Whether it's the upstairs bedroom, the basement workshop, or the patio out back, a weak signal can bring your productivity and entertainment to a grinding halt. The main culprit is usually your home's layout and construction. Wi-Fi signals, which are just radio waves, struggle to penetrate dense materials like concrete, brick, and metal. The further you are from your router, the weaker and more unreliable that signal becomes. The common solution is to rush out and buy a dedicated Wi-Fi extender or invest in a pricey mesh network system. And while those can work, they come with a hefty price tag and can be a hassle to set up. But what if I told you that you already have a powerful Wi-Fi extender right in your pocket? Today, I'm going to show you a brilliant trick to turn your smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, into a portable Wi-Fi repeater. It's a simple, effective, and completely free way to boost your signal and eliminate those dead zones for good, without buying any extra hardware. Alright, let's turn that phone into a Wi-Fi powerhouse. First, connect the phone you'll use as an extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. This is key, as the phone will share this Wi-Fi, not its cellular data. For Android users, dive into your settings. Look for Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. The exact path might differ slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer. Inside the Hotspot menu, give your new network a name and set a strong password. Now find the magic toggle, often called Wi-Fi sharing. You must enable this. This specific setting is what tells your phone to share its Wi-Fi connection, turning it into a repeater. Without it, you'll just be using your mobile data. For iPhone users, the process is just as straightforward. After connecting your iPhone to Wi-Fi, go to Settings and tap Personal Hotspot. Simply toggle on Allow Others to Join. Your iPhone will display the Wi-Fi password right on this screen, which other devices will need to connect. It's designed to be incredibly simple. And just like that, your phone is now a mini Wi-Fi repeater. It acts as a bridge, capturing the signal from your main router and rebroadcasting it as a new, localized network. This creates a fresh access point for your laptop, tablet, smart TV, or gaming console, effectively eliminating the dead zone. For the best performance, placement is key. Don't put the phone deep in the dead zone. Instead, find a spot midway between your router and where you need the signal. This ensures the phone receives a strong signal to extend. Also, this process uses a lot of battery, so for a stable setup, keep the phone plugged into a charger. This is perfect for conquering those tricky spots. Finally, get a stable connection in your basement office, the garage workshop, or out on the back patio. It's a fantastic, no-cost solution for extending your network's reach exactly where you need it. And there you have it, a powerful, no-cost way to boost your Wi-Fi signal using the smartphone you already own. This simple trick can be a real game-changer, eliminating those frustrating dead zones for good. I'm genuinely curious to see how this works for you. Did you finally get a stable connection in your garden or basement? Share your Wi-Fi victory story in the comments below. If you love practical tech solutions, subscribe to Tech Unlimited and click the bell so you never miss a hack that actually works. Stay connected, stay clever.